If you clicked on this video, I believe you want to see how you can make fluffy ekuru that is so soft, so fluffy you can break with your hands like I am doing right now. And that is exactly what I am about to show you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Remy and all I do on my channel is talk about food, give you delicious recipes like this one you're seeing right now, share food inspirations with you, market vlog, and most importantly, very useful tips and tricks to get your cooking to the next level. If you're ready, I am ready, so let's go. The type of beans I advise you use for this recipe is a white beans, and that's because of the result you get when you use it for things like akara and ekuru. I feel that it gives it the perfect texture, which is what we're looking for. I have peeled and washed these beans. I also soaked it for about an hour to soften it just a bit, and it is soft enough now to go through the blending process, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm adding just a little water, not too much, when I'm blending. And this is the consistency after blending, and I'm also going to show you how smooth this is. This is not very smooth. You want to get it to like the semi-smooth stage. Look at what I have now. It is not completely smooth. This is where you want to get your ekuru batter to. So this is what I have. I am done blending and I'm just rinsing out the blender into the batter that I have. And using a hand mixer, I am going to mix this until it looks fluffy and soft. Usually we use a spatula will get this done, but it will take some time. Traditionally, people use mortar and pestle to just mix this until it gets really fluffy. But since I have a hand mixer, I'll just use that to get this ready on time. You can use your spatula, you can use a whisk to get this done. And this is what I have after just a few minutes. Look at that. It is fluffy, it is soft, and I am going to start wrapping. I have just a little amount of water here, very small to start with, and I'm going to start wrapping. Wrapping is very easy. I think I have videos on how to wrap moimoi leaves like this on my channel already. If you have not seen it, you can look through my channel. I already have it. So I am just going to start wrapping, making a cone, and then folding back the base of the leaf. I'm going to add not too much of the batter here now. And please note that I have not added any salt or seasoning or anything. What I have in this leaf is pure beans. That's the batter which I blended. I didn't add anything. And that's how ekuru is made. I'm going to set that nicely into the pot with the very little amount of water. I'm still going to be adding more water later, but I'll start with this amount, very small, just so that water doesn't get into the ekuru. If it's too much, it can get into the ekuru while it is boiling. While that is going on, I'd like to ask that you join us. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I share loads of amazing recipes on this channel. So if you like good food, this is definitely the place to be. So subscribe and like this video. I'm adding a bit of water again because the one I have there seems to be drying out. I haven't made ekuru in over a year and my husband has been on my neck to make some. And he keeps saying, do you already have it on your channel? Make it now. I'll film the recipe and show people. A lot of people like to see. So I know he's speaking for a lot of people. At the same time, I know he's fighting for his tummy. He has missed ekuru so much. So much so he has asked me to make it for like 4 days in a row. Okay, so I am done wrapping everything and I'm going to move straight to prepping the stew for this ekuru. And for this stew, I am using some scotch bonnet pepper, rodo, some bawa, some dried tatashe. Usually I would use dry pepper for this, but I don't have it. And the dry tatashe should give me the aroma I am looking for in this stew. So it's fine. I have added enough palm oil in this pan. I'll try to leave measurement in the description box, so please check it out. I'm just going to lightly fry these onions and I did not bleach the palm oil. Just heating it up for like 1 to 2 minutes is okay. So I'm adding the roughly blended pepper now. I'm going to rinse out the blender with some water. If you like this video already, please give me a thumbs up. I'm going to add 2 stock cubes in these, some salt and brown ponmo. I'm going to leave it to cook. I'm adding the ponmo really early because it feels tough. I feel like it needs more time so it can get soft. Yeah. While that is going on, I'll check on the ekuru to see if it's set. It's been cooking for about 15 minutes on medium heat. I'm just going to check to see if it's firm to touch and if it needs more water. And of course, it needed some more water, so I added a bit, covered it, set it on low heat for another 10 minutes, and this should be ready. 10 minutes later, and this is looking good. I'm going to open one to show you. Ekuru is actually very easy to make. You just need to follow a few steps and you are going to get it. Anyone can cook fluffy and delicious ekuru, trust me. So this is me trying to show you how fluffy and how soft this is. I'm not sure my camera got that, but you're going to see that very soon, up close and personal. I'm adding fish in the stew now because it's a good time. And I also do not like to add locust beans in my stew for ekuru because the people that I used to buy from, that's the Loring people where I used to stay, who sell, they don't add iru, that's locust beans in their stew for ekuru. So my mind is conditioned not to, but if you want, you can add to yours. Everything is set now and I am plating this. I cannot wait to have a taste. I sprinkled a little bit of salt because remember we didn't add salt in the beans when we cooked it, and I have fluffed this with my fingers. This is so good. This is how your ekuru should come out. Fluffy, something that you can just use your hand to just scatter it, and you don't use a correct ekuru, you don't use spoon or fork to eat it. This is how you eat it. I hope that you like this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you do try this, please share it on Instagram and tag me at foodieremrem. I would like to see. My sister joined me to feast on this. It was so delicious. This was still very hot, but we could not wait to dig in. I enjoyed this so much. Everyone, apart from my children, enjoyed it. They don't know how to eat this yet. They say, what is white moimoi? They don't know what is going on. I am sure they're still going to eat it because I don't intend to stop making it and I don't intend to stop giving them. So they will learn it. All right, thank you so much everyone for watching today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know in the comments. If you have questions, please feel free to ask in the comments and I will be glad to answer all of your questions. Thank you again for watching. You can check my other videos and I will see you again in my next one. Yeah, bye.